Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on modifying paws that have already been made, that are flat, to make them poofy, where you still can put your finger in there comfortably. We'll need a long styrofoam tube. It was really long. Then you'll have to cut it and then measure the paw. Use half of it. So for this one, the flat one, you'll measure it like right here. Right here you'll feel the firmness of the claw, so it's not going to count right there, so you're going to have to cut it right there. And then you stick in the paw, and then voila, it's a random fix. Poofy, flat, poofy, flat. Oh, and you'll be able to pick up things still.